Welcome to my lecture. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss one tricky mathematical problem comes generally in Olympiad questions. So the question is here, when you solve this square root 16 minus square root 12. So what is the most simplified form of this number? So let's try to solve it. So first we take the square root 16. First we take the square root 16. So square root 16 is 4. And then divide the square root 12 as 4 multiply 3 square root. So 4 multiply 3 can be separated as square root of 4, square root of. Now square root of 4 is 2 and square root 3 as it is. Then we can rewrite square root of 16 minus square root 12 as 4 minus 2 square root. Now we can rewrite this 4 as 1 plus 3. And this is same as 2 square root 3. So 1 can be written as 1 square. 3 can be expressed as square root 3 whole square. And this is 2 minus square root 3. So we have now a minus b whole square. So we take a as square root 3 and then minus 1 whole square. Now if you take the square root on both sides, then you will get the answer is square root 3 minus 1. So therefore square root 16 minus 12 equal square root 3 minus